Intermittent fasting has gained massive popularity, not just as a weight loss trend, but as a powerful tool for overall health. When practiced correctly, it can do more than just shed pounds. It helps regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, improve brain function, and even support cellular repair. But the key is in the correct approach. Timing, nutrition, and consistency all matter. In this talk, we'll explore how intermittent fasting works and the real health benefits you can unlock when it's done right. Today, we will talk about the health benefits of practicing intermittent fasting correctly. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Understanding intermittent fasting. What it really means, intermittent fasting, IF, is not a diet but a timed approach to eating. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, with the most common patterns being 16.8, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. 5.2, eating normally for 5 days and drastically reducing calorie intake on 2 non-consecutive days. Or alternate day fasting. IF doesn't restrict what you eat, but rather when you eat, aligning with our circadian rhythm. This ancient practice, once part of many cultural and religious traditions, is now backed by modern science. The core idea is to give your body a break from constant digestion, allowing it to repair, detoxify, and function more efficiently. Practicing IF correctly means staying hydrated, eating nutrient-dense foods during your eating window, and avoiding processed meals. Done right, it becomes a sustainable lifestyle with powerful health benefits over time. 2. Weight loss and fat reduction through intermittent fasting. One of the most prominent benefits of intermittent fasting is weight loss, especially the reduction of stubborn belly fat. When you fast, insulin levels drop, and your body turns to stored fat for energy. Fasting periods push the body into a fat-burning state called ketosis, where fat, not glucose, becomes the primary energy source. Studies show that IF can help reduce visceral fat, fat stored around your organs, linked to diabetes, heart disease, and metabolic issues. Furthermore, IF simplifies daily eating, reducing the chance of overeating or snacking excessively. While calorie counting isn't necessary with IF, most people naturally eat less during restricted eating windows. Proper adherence, coupled with mindful eating during feeding periods, enhances long-term fat loss without muscle depletion. This metabolic shift doesn't just help you look better, it improves overall body composition and health, making IF a valuable tool in managing obesity and maintaining a healthy weight. 3. Insulin sensitivity and blood sugar regulation. Practicing intermittent fasting can significantly improve insulin sensitivity and stabilize blood sugar levels. When you fast, your body has a break from constant glucose intake, which can lead to lower and more stable blood sugar levels over time. This is particularly beneficial for people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. It reduces the frequency of insulin spikes, which occur every time you eat, especially meals high in carbohydrates. These spikes, when excessive, can lead to insulin resistance, a key driver of type 2 diabetes. If when done consistently and with proper dietary choices, enhances the body's ability to utilize insulin efficiently, promoting healthier glucose metabolism. Research shows that intermittent fasting can lower fasting blood glucose, reduce HbA1c levels, and even reverse early-stage insulin resistance. However, it's crucial to approach IF responsibly, especially for diabetics, by consulting a healthcare provider and monitoring blood sugar regularly during the transition. 4. Cellular repair and autophagy. Activation. One of the lesser-known but incredibly important benefits of intermittent fasting is its ability to activate autophagy, a cellular cleansing process. During autophagy, the body breaks down and recycles old, damaged, or dysfunctional cellular components. This process plays a vital role in preventing chronic diseases, slowing down aging, and reducing the risk of cancer. Fasting triggers autophagy because it signals the body that nutrients are scarce, prompting it to optimize resources by cleaning up cellular debris. This biological housekeeping not only boosts longevity but also protects cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Research links autophagy to improved brain health, better immunity, and reduced tumor growth. Fasting must reach a certain threshold, typically beyond 12 to 16 hours, to stimulate this process effectively. Practicing IF correctly, by avoiding snacking and keeping hydration levels optimal during fasting windows, supports this deep cellular maintenance function that rarely occurs in a constantly fed state. 5. Heart health and reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Intermittent fasting can have profound effects on heart health, reducing multiple risk factors for cardiovascular disease. Regular fasting is shown to decrease levels of LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure, all critical contributors to heart problems. It also helps increase HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol, and improve overall lipid profiles. Additionally, IF improves inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, CRP, which, when elevated, signal chronic inflammation, a known precursor to heart disease. Since IF also assists with weight loss and better insulin regulation, it indirectly alleviates strain on the cardiovascular system. Studies have even shown that individuals who fast regularly exhibit improved heart rate variability, HRV, a sign of a healthy nervous system and cardiovascular resilience. When practiced mindfully, combining IF with whole foods, low sodium intake, and healthy fats, the benefits extend further. Long-term adherence may decrease the incidence of strokes, atherosclerosis, and even sudden cardiac events. 6. Mental clarity and brain health enhancement. One of the most noticeable short-term benefits of intermittent fasting is improved mental clarity and focus. During fasting, your body increases the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth of new neurons and protects existing brain cells from degeneration. This process helps in enhancing memory, learning, and overall cognitive performance. Additionally, fasting promotes mitochondrial health and reduces oxidative stress, both of which play a crucial role in preventing age-related neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Ketones produced during fasting are a cleaner energy source for the brain compared to glucose and have been shown to enhance mental performance. IF also reduces brain fog, especially in individuals who suffer from insulin resistance. With consistent practice, many report better mood stability, deeper sleep, and increased productivity. Combined with adequate hydration, proper sleep, and nutrient-dense meals during eating periods, IF becomes a powerful tool for boosting brain health. 7. Inflammation reduction and immune system support. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many modern diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune conditions. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation markers in the body, leading to a more balanced and responsive immune system. Fasting allows the gut to rest and repair, reducing gut permeability and lowering endotoxin levels, which are linked to systemic inflammation. Furthermore, autophagy, triggered during fasting, clears out damaged immune cells and supports the regeneration of healthy ones. IF also improves the microbiome's diversity and health, which directly impacts immunity and inflammation levels. Studies show that fasting cycles can reboot the immune system, encouraging the production of new white blood cells and increasing resistance to infections. When combined with a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods such as leafy greens, turmeric, omega-3 fats, and berries during feeding times, intermittent fasting becomes a powerful ally in preventing and managing chronic inflammation. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.